No, it's unknown. So this is the unboxing of the 75-inch TLC TV.
TCL.
Oh, yes. Did I say TCL? And I've just, this is the instructions that comes along with it. Pop the top off, styrofoam, and then lift it. So it comes here with the two, I've already taken it, but the two legs here and the other one there. We won't be needing this because it'll be wall mounted. But as you can see, it is a two-person job, but someone's deciding to eat. You get your important, well not important, I guess important. Ah, two remotes. No? Okay. So it looks like you get this remote and then you get another remote. Interesting. Two remotes. Some cables. Let's just open that up. Hold on. Oh. Okay. There's that smart remote that we are seeing. There's another one. And this is the other one. Power cable. The adapter. Well, that's it. Looks like. No, I've already eaten. And some bolts. I think they'll probably be for the legs, but we'll see more further. And then another TCL. There you go, that's it. This is styrofoam. Another styrofoam. What was the instructions again? Okay. The small box should lift up. Let's see if I can just do it for one man. Ooh. Oh. Shit. Oh. Oh. Thank you for holding it. And that's about it. We'll pause that.